Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report from Michael in Maryland on the RCI-2995DXcf. Michael, got it ready to go for you, bud. This thing was definitely hit by lightning. Repair to the amp section, replaced driver finals, regulator, the pre-regulator, the receive, transmit, switching transistor. I'm trying to think of everything here. And did the tune alignment, Toshiba regulator, so forth. Let's just get right to it. Going to start our power all the way down. Had to swap out the caps in the power supply too. One of them had popped, probably due to the hit. It's a 100-watt slug with it all the way down. I set it 5 watts, which is plenty low for any amp that can handle the full output of this radio. And 40 all the way up. And as you see, we got forward bird average. Hello. About 88 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 165 PEP. So pretty good for the little 4-hour 520 unit. All right, Michael, it's ready to come back to you, man. I definitely appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.